¿Qué les parece que les traigo las primeras fotos de mi bebé?
¿Cuándo fuiste, Jessica?
Today. Mira. Sí. ¿Y qué crees que estaba haciendo, ma?
¿Qué?
Estaba con las patas para arriba así y con los pies y me estaba pateando y estaba brincando y brincando. Y dijo la doctora, ay, está bien activo tu bebé.
Es grow.
No sé, no nos dijeron. Hasta el próximo. Pero me estaba pateando así.
Es grow.
Nos estaba haciendo show.
Ya le vi aquí la cosa. Ay,
Dijo que apenas está 2 inches. Dijo que está bien chiquito.
es grow.
Aquí se mira.
Sí.
Se mira.
Mira cómo tenía las patas. Mira cómo.
Tú di que sí, hermana.
No, no
Di que
sé.
sí, que es grow, que es grow.
Mira, abuelita.
Diosito, que el ultrasonido.
Las primeras fotos de mi bebé.
Ya no sabe, dice.
Todavía no nos dicen.
Pero ya debía de saber.
Dice que quitaron los
No, dice que apenas tengo 12 semanas y 3 días.
Pero, bueno, ¿fueron los dos? ¿A los
Ya.
ultrasonidos? ¿Cuándo le tocó otra vez otro?
Hasta junio.
¿Se acuerdan?
Sí. Oh, entonces sí es grow ya.
Entonces sí es grow. Siéntese, mamá. Véngase, mamá, siéntese.
Oh, no falta todos los ultrasonidos.
Sí.
Yo tengo todos los de mi Rico, los de mi Kenia, todos.
Yo hasta el ombligo podrido tenía, pero yo todavía ni sé si lo tengo o no.
Sí, lo has de tener todavía.
Ese que me lo tiró.
Not even. Yo no
Estoy
te
bien
tiré
segura que
nada.
me lo tiró.
No, yo tengo los de mis hijos todavía. En un cajito.
Hi guys, welcome back to our makeup channel. Today I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit. Okay, that's bad lighting. Today I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit because we are gonna be going to meet our baby for the first time. I know it's been like a long time and it seems kind of weird that I'm barely getting my first ultrasound. But yes, barely getting my first ultrasound today and I'm super nervous, but I'm super excited because, to be honest, like, I know I'm pregnant, but I don't think it's gonna become like real, even though I've been throwing up like freaking crazy. I've had all the freaking symptoms, but I just feel like today is gonna be real. Like, today I'm just gonna meet my baby for the first time. I'm gonna meet my little nugget and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna ask the lady there if I can vlog. I know when my cuñada went, like, they have signs everywhere where you can't vlog. So I don't know, a ver qué le invento, but I really want to vlog. And as you can see, like, I'm running out of breath because I was so fucking nervous. It's freaking crazy. It's freaking crazy. It's like going to a blind date. You don't know what to expect. So, and today for sure I'm gonna find out also how far along I am, because I don't know when was my last period, so they keep guessing and they really wanted to do this ultrasound so they can tell me for sure if I'm 12 weeks, 13 weeks, or 14 weeks. I don't know. So come along with me to meet my baby for the first time. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I am back at my house. I didn't really vlog at the ultrasound, I know, boo, but I was in shock. And it was just me and Hernan that went to the ultrasound. I feel like I am gonna vlog the next one, even though it says no recording like everywhere. But I got the same person that did the ultrasound for my cuñada, and I did vlog hers, but we ended up I ended up erasing accidentally the footage because she told me she didn't want the footage on YouTube, and I don't know how the hell it got erased, because that week I had to send my camera to get fixed and I had to take the memory card out, and when I put it back in there was no footage or anything like it. Let me just put my brightness up, because like what? So Paco's like freaking out because he sees me and I haven't gotten off the car. But I wanted to tell you guys, yes, I went. I have the medical thing. I don't want to show my information, but I went, and basically I just didn't vlog because me and Hernan were in shock seeing the baby. Like, one of the nurses was asking me so many questions, and one of them was like, had I had any bleeding from my vagina. That's such a weird word, from my coochie cooch. And I literally didn't even answer the question because she was like, like, did you or did you not? And I was like literally in shock looking at the screen. Me and Hernan were both in shock because it is crazy when you first see your baby for the first time on the screen. Like, everything becomes so freaking real. And let me tell you, my hija or my hijo, I don't know what I'm having yet right into my next ultrasound. It's gonna be hella cabron as fuck, because he was like, he or she, I know, my little nugget, that's what I call it, my little nugget was like with his hands up in the stomach like this, hitting me in the stomach y también con las patas. I was just like, oh my god. Like, the person that was doing the ultrasound, she was like, that is so freaking cute, your baby is so freaking active. And it's funny because yesterday me and Hernan were talking to the baby and we were like, you know, we're gonna be giving for the first time tomorrow and it's gonna be super freaking exciting. And it was, and I feel like the baby did a little show for us to tell us, here I am, mom and dad, like, you know, I do listen to you guys. And it was freaking adorable, and it was even bouncing up and down. And mind you, like, I did find out how long I am. I am 12 weeks and 3 days, which by now I should have been like 14 weeks by the time they estimated. But with this ultrasound, they confirmed I am like 12 weeks and 3 days. So it's kind of like going back in time, but I'm just excited that I know exactly, you know. So my due date is October 24th, just in case I didn't mention it on the videos before. But I do have some pictures. I don't know if you guys can see them. Is this backwards? No. So this is the baby. Look at it. I was just in shock because I was just like, el bebé está bien formado. Like, wow, I was so in shock. I don't think it shows any information. I mean, it does show like what hospital I would go to, but these are the picture. Look at this one. Like, you can see the patas up here. Look at this. Like, this is crazy. I just think it's like so beautiful. But yeah, like, my baby está bien formado. I was in shock. I'm still in shock because, like, yes, I know I'm pregnant, but I just like seeing it, my baby, my little nugget, for the first time is like a freaking shock. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. So I didn't vlog it. I just wanted to enjoy the experience. I, to be honest, had never gotten an ultrasound in my life, so I didn't really know they like really press into your stomach. And you know what, I had heard that the crema they put on your stomach to see the baby was actually really cold, but mine was really warm. So I don't know if they changed that over the years. I don't know, you guys let me know. But super cute experience. I'm actually gonna go to Michael's later because I want to cut up these pictures and put them in a little journal where I journal my experience. I really want my baby, when it grows up, to just see everything that I was going through, and you know, and I'm sure like he or she's gonna see through the videos, but like I think it would be cute to have like a little journal of what me and Hernan think, and that way the baby could always keep it forever. It could be like a little tradition that me and him, that me and Hernan start, and then our babies, they do it with their babies. Like, it would just be freaking cute, to be honest. But I really do want to do that today. But yeah, I'm sorry this vlog was just like literally me sitting in the car and talking. I don't have that little screw thing that connects to my freaking tripod right now. I did order it online, so I haven't been able to do any videos for you guys. I'm so freaking sorry for that. I will have some videos up this week though, because I already had pre-filmed some videos, and the only reason why I haven't posted those videos is because I didn't feel good about posting those videos without actually giving you my afterthoughts. Because one of them is like, it's just a comparison basically, and I ended up trying it out for more time, and I just found out the truth about the product. So yeah, that's basically my dilemma with that video. But I also have another blog. This is kind of not a blog, but I did want to blog my first experience at the ultrasound and just tell you guys that the staff was really, really nice and everything was just amazing. These are my after reactions, you know. And thank you so much if you're watching this little video and you just wanted to know how I'm doing, because honestly it makes me feel so special that people actually care. I am a first-time mother, if you guys didn't know. I mean, it's like my first ultrasound, so I'm guessing you guys guessed I am a first-time mother. So everything that I do is the first time, and it's scary because, you know, yeah, I'm gonna give birth. I'm gonna freaking give birth. So that's that. I also want to tell you guys know that actually they told me before I left that my child actually did have really low probability of having Down syndrome, which is actually a pretty good news. I know like that can be really, really scary for a lot of people. It was really scary for me just because I did have alcohol the week before I found out I was pregnant, and I couldn't get drunk that week. So that was kind of like my major like, oh my god, did I fuck up, because I didn't really know I was pregnant. But I had heard this had happened to a lot of people and nothing really went wrong, but you know, there's always that possibility. So thank God that the results for my blood taken out. By the way, I have a scar, not a scar, I don't know if you guys can see it, pero tengo right here. Okay, the freaking nurse, side story, but the freaking nurse was like, honey, you need to toughen up, because I hate needles, and I had to have Hernan with me holding my hand. I couldn't even look at the needle because I don't know if you guys are like me, but I get like little mini panic attacks when I see a needle. I'm just like, no, like how the hell is that gonna go inside of my body? So the nurse was like, honey, she was like 80, I don't know how old she was, but she was like, honey, you need to toughen up, honey. And I was just like, what are you talking about, lady? Like, she was taking the freaking needle and she was like, your blood is not coming out, and she was like diving it in there, twisting it around, hence why I have this big ass giant bruise. It was worse. But I'm just like, lady, you're telling me to toughen up, yeah, you're digging a freaking needle in my arm, like whatever. She's like, you just need to toughen up because you're gonna be giving birth. And I'm just like, dude, chillax, okay? I'm sure I'll build up the courage by then. But yeah, that's kind of this video. I'm sorry for it being boring, but I hope you guys really enjoyed coming along with me. Well, not really coming along with me because I didn't vlog it, but thank you so much for hearing me out. And if you guys have stories of your first ultrasound, I would love to hear them in the comments down below. I would be so happy to read them, and tell me your guys' experience down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.